In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete recorded video on Microsoft Teams. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure you remove the recording effectively. Whether you've accidentally recorded something or simply no longer need a meeting video, this guide will help you manage your content. Our first step involves getting into Microsoft Teams itself and heading to the right place. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams application on your desktop or navigate to the web version using your preferred browser. Once Teams is loaded, you'll need to locate the Chats section, which is typically found on the left-hand sidebar of your Teams interface. Click on Chats to display your list of individual and group conversations. With the Chats panel open, your next task is to pinpoint the specific conversation where the recorded video was shared. Scroll through your chat list until you find the chat corresponding to the meeting or call that contained the recording you wish to delete. It's crucial to select the correct chat, especially if you participate in many meetings or have several ongoing conversations. Once you've identified and clicked on the relevant chat, the chat history will load in the main window. Now carefully scroll through the messages within this chat until you locate the actual video recording. It will usually appear as a message with a video thumbnail or a link, indicating that a meeting was recorded and shared in that particular conversation. Once you've successfully located the recorded video within the chat feed, your attention should turn to the options available for that specific message. For most messages and shared content in Microsoft Teams, you'll find a small icon or set of indicators that appear when you hover your mouse cursor over the message itself. In the case of a recorded video, look for the three-dotted line icon, often referred to as the More Options menu, located directly beside the video message. This icon is your gateway to various actions you can perform on that particular piece of content. Make sure you're hovering directly over the video message to ensure these three dots become visible and accessible. After clicking on the three-dotted More Options menu next to the video recording, a drop-down list will appear, presenting you with several choices. From this list, you'll need to select the Delete option. Upon clicking Delete, Teams will typically prompt you with a confirmation message to ensure you genuinely intend to remove the video. This is an important step, as deleting a recording from a Teams chat is usually a permanent action for that specific chat thread. Confirm your decision by clicking Delete once more in the confirmation prompt. The video recording will then be removed from the chat history for all participants, making it inaccessible to anyone viewing that conversation moving forward. Now, it's important to address a scenario where you might have also downloaded a copy of the recorded video to your local computer. Deleting the recording from the Teams chat only removes it from the shared conversation within the application. If you or someone else previously downloaded the video file, that local copy will remain on the device where it was saved. This means that to fully remove all traces of the video, you'll need to take an additional step. It's good practice to consider if a local copy exists, especially if the recording contains sensitive information or was only meant for temporary viewing. Always remember that a cloud deletion doesn't automatically mean local copies are also gone. If you've determined that a local copy of the recording was downloaded, your next action is to navigate to the file's location on your computer. This will typically be in your Downloads folder, or a specific folder you designated when you saved the file. Use your computer's File Explorer or Finder to browse to the directory where the video file is stored. Once you've found the video file, right-click on it and select the Delete option from the context menu. After deleting it, remember to also empty your computer's recycle bin or trash to ensure the file is permanently removed from your system and cannot be recovered. This completes the entire deletion process, ensuring the video is gone from both Teams and your personal device.